As I was as we were praying here and then as we were worshiping and praying here, nangonzo ita mafasha matanga kuya from northward ndio tanga mafasha mabali tezi kuna wale bali zikara se zikara se African countries wale or maybe something else maybe unashi it's like in northward and then there is a wind, northward wind, but itongera kuunza mafasha. Is it a bridge? Is it a bridge breaking and water gushing out? What is it that is happening? Is it raining? That one I cannot explain. Is it a bridge? Is it raining? But I'm seeing mafasha and I'm hearing cries, 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 cries.
Mayotte, French, December 14th, 2024.
Nangonzo ita mafasha matanga kuya. It's like a northward and then there is a wind, northward wind, but itongera kuunza mafasha. And I'm hearing cries, 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 cries.
Cyclone Cheeto, December 15th, 2024. Cheeto was expected to continue its eastern trajectory and hit Mozambique on the African mainland late Saturday or early Sunday, forecasters said. Mozambique's disaster agency has warned that 2.5 million people might be affected in the northern provinces of Cabo Delgado in Nampula France's Indian Ocean territory.
It's like a northward and then there is a wind, northward wind, but itongera kuunza mafasha.
Mayotte has been struck by the worst cyclone to hit the islands in nearly a century. At least 2 people were reportedly killed when Cyclone Cheeto made landfall on Saturday.
First it was southeast Queensland, now the state's north is copping torrential rain and flash flooding.
It's like a northward and then there is a wind, northward wind, but itongera kuunza mafasha.
Matthew Castunen is in Brisbane for us. Matt, part of Queensland's major arterial highway has been cut off.
Good afternoon, Narelda. The Bruce Highway south of Proserpine is closed due to floodwaters inundating the road. At least 2 drivers had to be rescued. Of course, it follows a very wet 24 hours across North Queensland. 276 millimetres fell in Gargett near Mackay in the 24 hours to 9 a.m. Stafford Crossing saw 256 mils. Now, the Weather Bureau says that's broken an 18-year record for that weather station when it comes to high daily rainfall totals. Further north, near Townsville, Upper Alligator Creek recorded 233 millimetres of rain. Now, the SES have been called to at least 23 jobs, mostly in Cairns and Mackay. That's likely due to rise as the day continues. A severe weather warning remains in place today from Mackay all the way up to Ingham, with falls of more than 200 millimetres expected between now and tomorrow. That rainfall expected to linger until at least tomorrow night. We'll have more on this weather system in 10 News First at 5 o'clock.
Brisbane residents were caught by surprise when water began lapping at the door. Streets became streams, forcing businesses to close, marking the start of summer and the wet season. Severe thunderstorms hit the CBD at lunchtime on Sunday, with more than 50 millimetres of rain dumped in just half an hour, while suburban parts saw more than 70 mils in an hour. Much of southeast Queensland began the day already saturated. In the early hours, emergency crews rescued 5 people who became trapped by rising and fast-flowing floodwaters on the Gold Coast.
And I'm hearing cries.
Saw significant rainfall through southeastern Queensland through Saturday into Sunday morning, with scattered rainfall in the 50 to 100 millimetre range, and plenty of places also saw 1 to 200 millimetres or more.
Several major to minor flood warnings were in place across the region. In the scenic rim, the widespread rainfall flooded paddocks across Bow Desert. Roads were cut off in Boonah, with a similar scene at Peak Crossing, as livestock tried to avoid the rising water. Dams spilled over, Wyaralong Dam reaching more than 100% capacity.
Is it a bridge? Is it a bridge breaking and water gushing out? What is it that is happening? Is it raining? That one I cannot explain. Is it a bridge? Is it raining? But I'm seeing Mafasha.